Greetings, St. Maarten. As Prime Minister, I come to you today to commemorate the 7th anniversary of the Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs. While around the world, there are challenges based on the crises that we are all facing to timely achieve them all, the goals remain at the forefront of all our policies and programs as we move forward as a country. The commemoration comes at an opportune moment for St. Maarten as we continue to work towards the implementation of the SDGs through projects such as the constructing and outfitting of 2 multi-purpose shelters, transition to renewable energy, and the Fostering Resilient Crisis Management Project. These projects target specifically SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, SDG 13, Climate Action, and SDG 17, Partnerships for the Goals. It is through such endeavors that St. Maarten continues to strive for enhancements in the lives and livelihoods of its people, building a stronger nation and fostering hope for a better, more sustainable tomorrow for future generations. Another significant step towards achieving the SDGs is the launch of the National Development Vision, Growing Stronger Together. The National Development Vision provides a long-term outlook for sustainable development for St. Maarten. This vision promotes inclusivity through integral cooperation and collaboration and highlights the priority SDGs for St. Maarten. Inclusivity is considered as the catalyst in achieving sustainable development, as St. Maarten is home to over 150 different nationalities. I encourage each ministry, department, NGO, CSO, and individual citizen to become more aware of the goals, all actions being undertaken, and what each can do individually and collaboratively to further advance the achievement of the goals, which will ensure a sustainable future for St. Maarten and all future generations. With that being said, we stand growing stronger together for the SDGs. Happy Flag Day, SDG Flag Day 2020.